Guys, good morning! Another day! Another day. Let's eat some breakfast. Breakfast and lakad tayo. Alo's ready. Halo, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Good!
Ikaw pa na, hindi pa ta ready.
Yung ulam natin is yung kahapon. Salmon. Ala ba, inainitan siya kaya?
Yan talaga ang
Ti, ingnan na lang na imong cleaner. Tinga, pwede mo imong kadaan na mo-cancel. Kasi wala.
May cancel na po siya?
Cancel na po dahil ganina. Ang tabi-text. Lagi ay.
Kapit ang lakaw na sa ate. Ay, klaro yung cleaner.
Ano, may cancel man daw siya?
Kuhan daw na daw siya hospital appointment.
Ang kanyang hospital appointment, di ba yan na
Sudden,
walk-in?
oh.
Ang ganda na ating Didi, oh. Good morning, Didi. Sleepy?
Yeah,
Sleepy,
ang perfect
Didi.
ko ani. Drive dito, mata lang siya. Kinsa man kape?
Ako, ah.
Yung manig-abot dito, na siya matulog. Muna dapat niyo makakundi. Okay rin mo rin. Sige lang, ikaw na ni Di.
Ikaw, Tika! Ikaw, nakate? Guys, we are going. Punta tayo sa outlet shops and then after niyan, punta tayo sa Costco which is gonna be the first time na pupunta kami. Never pa kami nakapasok ng Costco, kami dalawa ni Michelle. So mag-grocery tayo ngayon. So meron sana akong appointment ngayon guys sa Brickworks. So for the bricks at I feel like included na din yung mga garage doors. Pero hindi ko na carry guys. Ang dami nating appointment today na hindi ko kayo nasama. Sobrang stressful talaga. And then after the appointment itself, kasi you have to make a decision right there and then. Which is sabi ko, pwede ba pag-isipan ko muna to? Pero kailangan mo mag-decide. So after nun, i-review ko pa yung mga paperworks na gagawin after the selections. And then, I need some time. Sabi ko, gusto ko ma-review to siya properly kasi it's gonna be too late if ever baka may pagsisihan tayo or baka may mga ano tayo, may mga gusto na hindi muna natin ma-realize ngayon, like ngayon na. Kailangan ko ng panahon na i-review talaga siya properly at you know, parang i-imagine ko ba kung ko ba talaga ilalagay yung ating mga plugs, saan ko ba talaga ilalagay yung ating mga socket, mga ganun. So ayun, anytime. So wala muna tayo, relax muna tayo ngayon, wala muna tayong appointment. I rescheduled it for December na. I have another appointment, dalawang appointment. I mean, isa sana, tapos yung isa nga, inad ko na lang, minove ko on the same day kasi I need some time na i-review yung 4 na appointments na ginawa natin para sa bahay.
Have we got 2 babies here?
Yeah, District Outlet Center, Adelaide. First time natin dito. Let's go! Lamig! Very windy, 16 degrees today. Wala. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Gustong-gusto ni Michelle yung ganitong weather. Malamig. Ha? Okay, init. Come on, boy! Let's go. This is the 3rd shop or 4th shop. I'm looking for new work shoes. Isa lang. Guys, ang ganda pala mag-shopping dito kasi wala masyadong tao. As in, wala ka masyadong kakompetensya sa pagpili-pili. Ang layo na nila ate ah. Well, ano din ngayon naman, Wednesday. Siguro pag weekend, mas maraming tao talaga dito. Pero, so far, kami-kami lang dito. Charis. Konting-konti lang kami. Alo!
Kalmahas na
You
chocolate.
stole it! Ano?
guys.
You accidentally stole it.
Accident?
By accident, Alo.
Give it to the lady, okay? Say, I'm sorry.
It's for Indy daw.
Yeah, put it
Kanina
back.
pa
You
kami,
tell the lady,
kanina
okay?
pa
Say,
kami
I'm sorry.
palakad-lakad dito,
Say, I'm sorry, I
guys.
didn't mean it.
You know what? The security was looking at us, but didn't say anything. Hello, is that for Indy? And this one? What's that? Ah, pancakes. Dito na kami sa Costco. Cinnamon ay giatak man ni sila gara man ni oy. Ay, ting may pag magtunga-tunga na lang ta.
Money?
Grabe, ang ganda-ganda guys, pang baon. Mura lang. You're not being nice. Ay, first time namin dito guys. Ang dami namin nabubudol dito. Ang daming budol. Hi, nice! Guys, ang ganda ng mga thermo flask. $34 lang siya. Lagi, ito yung paborito ko na color. Oh. Tupak niya, $34 na. Namu gani, maglagot ko kay ang cute kasi. Ito lunchbox din. Mataghalar no, pang bata. Ang ganisa. Filipino style. Kadako. Uy, ang ganda-ganda dito mag-grocery as in. Sobrang ganda. Uy, good mood na yung ating dudong. Grabe. Our first ever Costco shopping. Wait, andito yung lola nila. The lola. Let's vlog later.
Pilas. And then kay Danny Boy, so I got this one. Kasi may mga red na kami for Santa photo. Si Dan na lang wala. So sana kasya to sa kanya. Sana kasya to kay
Mag-start tayo, mag-haul na tayo. So, first time namin pumunta doon sa District Outlet Shopping Center. Tapos may nabili tayo. So, this one is from H&M. Kasi guys, ang dami naka $5 lang. Oh, this one is actually from Supre. This is just $7 guys. Medyo mahaba to sa atin, di ba? Pero, okay lang siya. Ang bilis lang nito i-cut. Yan. This is $7. Grabe. Actually, hindi ko pa to na-fit. Yung na-fit ko is size 8. Size 6 yung kinuha ko. Next one is from H&M. Alam, ay, sus, ang ganda sana nito if ever black to siya.
Cotton On.
Ay, sorry, Cotton On. So, ang ganda sana nito if black, pero yung available na black is size large na lang. So, we have to get the white. Ganda! Kasi, sport siya ba? Look! Guys, $5 lang to. Sobrang mura.
Ang dami pa pala
So, napabili na lang talaga tayo. This one is also from Cotton On. This is just, kabalo ba ka, nga because na siya gamay na discoloration.
Yeah.
This is just $1.90. Really? Promise! Na-shock yung ko, ha?
Siya yung mga
So, this one, siya no returns. Iko, asan man yung And this is the only size small man, extra small. So, just have to get it. Sa mga siguro to, try on ba? Meron silang makeup. So, that's the easy fix. $1.90. Sobrang mura. Pang natin, pang beach natin na tawagan natin?
Like, ano yan?
Cover up. Tapos ito, cover up din to siya. Meron to siyang kamatch. Again, guys, $5 only. Para sa ating mga swimwear. Tapos meron shorts. This one is mine. Yan. Bumili din si Michelle para sa kanyang kapatid. Sabi ko, ikaw ulit, girl. And then, this one, bumili ako sa Puma ng shorts. Ayan. Yung mga hindi masyadong masikip na mga shorts. This one. Nice yung kanyang fit. So, I like it. So, yan. Tapos, sa Costco, first time na natin dun sa Costco. Ang ganda. Ang ganda pala talaga mag-shopping sa Costco. Pero yun nga, sobrang malakihan, guys. So, dapat pang malakihan pamilya rin siya. So, ito. Dito tayo sa baba. Meron tayong kailangan talaga i-haul. Kasi, kailangan natin ito ilagay sa fridge agad-agad. So, this one, meron tayo dito, vegetable oil. Yung canola oil pala, guys, is unhealthy pala yan siya. Kasi dahil sa mga fertilizer na ginagamit. So, vegetable oil, ayan. For this one, this is just $10. Mura lang. Tapos, itong red pepper na to, this is just $5. Sobrang laki na. Yes, mahilig pa naman ako dito. So, binili na natin. Ito, kailangan na i-fridge kimchi. We also have some hot dog na masarap. Juicy hot dog. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Tapos traditional Filipino style longganisa. And then we also have black pepper. Ang lalaki, mura lang talaga to. Tapos sea salt. And then this one, ito gusto ko to siya. Garlic, minced California garlic. Ayan. At least hindi na tayo mag-chop-chop. Diretso na. Then, we also have potatoes. Kasi yung potato na ito, $3.99. Ang dami na. Sige, this one's sa fridge. Dalhin natin to bukas. Kasi bukas, tayo ilalayas na.
Lupat naman.
Lupat na?
Lupat na dayon?
Lupat mo sa kanay. Ipanimot na. Kasi lupat?
Yeah.
Sabihin mo na tayo.
Dahil may gani vegetable oil mo nakuha, Day.
Ha?
May gani
Vegetable
vegetable
oil
oil
mo
mo nakuha ba?
Ah. Gusto mo bigawin sa mulo?
Next one, itong rice. So, Japanese rice daw to siya, guys. Pero hindi to yung
Japanese
shirataki. Ha? Japanese.
Japanese.
It's just, yeah, Japanese. Japanese rice na sobrang mura lang din ito. This is 10 kg. And magkano to, Michelle? $19 lang. So, nabili na lang din natin. Kahit na marami pa tayong rice sa bahay, bili na. And then, bili din tayo nito.
I-charge din mo?
No, I did it! Tapos ito, kailangan i-fridge din to din. Uy, natanggal na. Patay. Tingnan nyo. Garlic and chive cream cheese rolls. Kailangan i-fridge. Ito mga kailangan i-fridge. Ano sa pala i-fridge na? This one! Frozen man eh. Uy. Ito, masarap to siya. Cheese buddy. Ang sarap nito pa. Baon. Every day. Ito guys, 2-bite brownies. Sobrang liliit. Sige, kainin natin. I-try natin na open eh. Oh my God, it's so good.
May diba?
Oh my God, kalamit yun. December 7. Highly recommended. 2-bite brownies. Ito itsura. Wala, kasi ang sarap. Ganyan si Indian eh, di?
Yan, ganun po.
So good. Guys, it's barbecue time! We're gonna go outside. My God, so good. Grabe, ang sarap mag-barbecue. Look at the weather. Ganda ng weather. Malamig yung hangin, tapos medyo mainit. Ay, perfect. Dala's here. Si Michelle, nagsa-start na. I'm gonna cook rice pretty soon. Look at that, guys. Minarinade ni Michelle kahapon. You wanna help Tita Michelle?
Yes.
Did you mix the sauce? Ah, good. Yeah. Gusto niya kasi mag-help. Oh, pinamix ko siya ng sauce kahit mix na. Yeah, good. Okay, I'll come back. I'll cook rice.
Time?
Yeah. Uy, no, you can. Be careful, okay? Bye. Si ate ay nagpapatulog kay Indy. Si Indy naman is nag-acrobatic sa taas. Feeling ko wala talagang mangyayaring pagtulog nito. Let's just cook rice. Okay. Look at that. Eee, liver.
That looks like
That's
cow.
chicken liver.
Looks like what?
Cow.
Cow?
Looks
Cow?
like
A cow's meat.
It looks like the cow's guts.
Yeah, little bit.
Little bit, yeah. But it's the chicken. It's the liver of the chicken.
Here right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There.
True. Ito tanawang chicken day. Bubuo ito ngayon.
Oh, my hand, Oliver.
Oh, so good. Everyone.
Yeah, have a cow. Yeah. Yeah, the biggest old
Oh boy, you've got some nerve to call my name, call my name. After all this time, you should be so ashamed, so ashamed. 'Cause I'm so over it, over it, over it, over it. 'Cause I'm so over it, over it, over it, over it, over it now. Every second I try to give you everything, 'cause that's just what I like. So why are you always wasting all my time? It's too late, let it die now. I've been on the road to my soul. I've been trying to fit into my role. Don't expect from me, so let's decide. Leave it up to chance and I'm a forfeit. I don't wanna be the one if you gon' torch it. Hear you calling out my name, but I ignore it. I don't mind, don't mind. Don't start a new life on the forest. Don't need to look back, but I'm turning. Can't believe I gotta face the music. Now here we are again. Oh boy, you've got some nerve to call my name, call my name.
Careful.
You should be so ashamed, so ashamed. 'Cause I'm so over it, over it, over it, over it. 'Cause I'm so over it, over it, over it, over it, over it now. I'm done making promises that you won't ever honor. So tell me you're not the last. Show up and that's goodbye. Don't try me, I won't let it slide any longer. Dry your tears, they crocodilian, babe. My one true fear in a million to stay. Don't invite me to this pity party. Too late to tell me that you're sorry now. Leave it up to chance and I'm a forfeit. I don't wanna be the one if you gon' torch it. Hear you calling out my name, but I ignore it. I don't mind, don't mind. Don't start a new life on the forest. Don't need to look back, but I'm turning. Can't believe I gotta face the music. Now here we
Ay,
are.
tingnan niyo yung ginawa ni Ayla kay Hindi.
You've got some nerve to
You're so wet already. What did your auntie do?
After all this
What did
time,
your
you
auntie
should be
do?
so ashamed, so ashamed. 'Cause I'm so
She had a shower already, ate.
over it. 'Cause I'm so over it, over it, over it, over it.
Let's eat.
Nato na tayo.
Let's eat. Tay.
Now it's the one thing we're doing. I want this one.
Please.
Please.
What do you want? Orange one? Where's your ano? Tapos si Kuya madala yung video. Refresh!
So, liquor siya dali.
Ah.
Kama sa baso.
Next, we're gonna try something.
Saan mo ni pag-open? Di mo
Dala ni Michelle.
balikan.
Ampun na lang ganani. Ube. Liquor. O, sige Michelle, i-open.
17% yes, yeah?
Hala ka, patay taan ni Rob.
Hagba kita. Mga liquor.
Okay, open it then.
Ikaw,
Oh.
I don't know how.
Hello?
Ay, sa kilid. Sa
Wait, so, di ako sinusunod.
Ah, okay, okay.
Mm.
Yung liquor. Ano liquor dahil? It's ube kita. It's sweet. Oh,
Yeah.
what?
No, the other one was
Sabi this
Agima
what,
Gin.
Agima?
Yeah, it's Agima ko no at
Sarap kaya to?
simuta.
Mommy, smell it.
Murag Baileys na ulo.
Oh my God, oh, marag
The alcohol.
Marami na kung sa kaulo diha ta.
Pour it in.
May isang ulo dito. Okay, pour it in.
This is alcohol.
I just
Alcoholic 17%.
That's enough, Char.
That's enough.
Grabe po. Okay, Michelle. Do the
That's so
honors.
raw.
All of us do it together.
Eh.
That's a yacht.
What's a yacht? Oh my goodness, I don't like a yacht.
I like a yacht.
I'll choose this one.
Namili.
That's mine, Michelle. Gamay.
What's that? What's bugnaon?
Sa pag na.
Kay Coco yan.
Ube.
Namiya ka.
Stop with the
Nakikita
kid.
na ano eh.
I mean, I.
That look is like ice cream.
Oh yeah, babe. Babe, we'll give you one.
Just give it a go.
Sige, guys, sige.
What's that shit?
It's not ice cream. Uy. It's alcohol.
It's alcohol.
It's alcohol.
It's
It smells
milkshake.
good. It smells good actually, babe.
I'll have a little bit, Sissy.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
Like that?
Yeah, thank you.
Oh my
Get it to go
God.
cold.
That's so purple.
It is.
It's so good, but it smells so good.
But we don't know what the alcohol is.
Yeah, it's
It's like Bailey's.
it's like that is.
Pa ube?
Was it
Okay,
expensive?
No, it's like $30.
Oh, expensive.
That's
Uy.
expensive. Eh?
Cheers.
Our Moscato is $5 only.
It'd probably be good with ice cream.
Hey, it's good.
It's actually not bad.
It's really good.
Yeah.
And it's 17%. It's really good for 17%.
Buta niya guys. Cream.
They're making it into a dessert.
Ice cream.
It's nice. Yeah, it's a dessert. Ano? Drink. Alcohol.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll
Cheese,
take
really
ice cream.
open.
But we're not sharing with the kids.
It's good pero grab ko. Hapdos. Ice cream for Ayla.
It's not bad. Siguro kung bugnaw kay ni Doy.
Sige,
Yeah.
maybe we'll wait for a little.
Ibutang sa freezer.
More on that. So that he makes it into an actual...
You know what? Mag-inom tayo.
I just
Inom
had
ng
your-
kontak balot. Wow, hubi
You
pa
don't
ka.
want that. I'm getting you vanilla princess.
Oh, you have a little bit of alcohol.
Yeah, yeah, it's good. Pero
good,
dangerous.
Dangerous.
Lami man.
Dangerous. Yummy and dangerous. Uy! Guys, meron din tayong balot. Ayan. Meron tayong 3 balot. Tag-isa tayo ni ate. Nila ate at saka Michelle. And, I'm just gonna finish this one. Very interesting. Para talagang Baileys. Alo, you're gonna get a chocolate, Alo. Wow.
Look for number 2.
I can't even look for number 2. Where's my number 2?
Okay,
Number 2 is right here.
Yeah.
Okay, you.
Yeah.
This one. Can you open it?
I open it.
Meron silang Cadbury na calendar.
It's Santa.
Is it? Wow, Alo. What is it, Alo?
What do you say to
Oh,
Santa?
nice. Tomorrow you're gonna have another one.
Yeah.
This is so cool. Nice na kining idea, no? Very nice. Ate Ayla too. Good night, Ate. School tomorrow.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Like sa Pinas ba? Black mo na sa balot.
Yan na nani mo dahil kung saan pinaka
Laro kayo? Laro kayong puti? Ayun, dali.
here.
Ayun, yes, puti. Yeah.
Let's eat balot.
Lami sa balot.
Naman ko yun.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, that's spicy.
Balot sa ato kay balot. Anak man. Sa Manila kay kanang speaker. Balot Penoy.
Oh yeah?
Dati. Yan gini akong gitawag. Balot. Di siya kadungog kay ang speaker pating kusuga.
Okay, it's very light.
Ay, sorry.
Mukha ko piso check.
Yeah.
Inyo ka mga light, ako dark.
Ayaw na.
Ganyan talaga, te. Bipolar talaga. White shade.
Kung sino talaga ang darkest.
I won't say anything. I'm not a real sister. Nindot niya yung piso, tingin mo rin ko ay.
Lami, no?
Diba?
Yan ang dili kayo tibuok pa.
Mas masarap to compared sa na tikman namin sa New Zealand. Ang sarap.
So, alam na yan ni Dan kung kailan yung ano.
Ang sarap.
Wednesday,
meron
hindi, no?
balot. Yeah, Wednesday. Every Wednesday lang. Tapos balot talaga tawag nila din. I mean, alam nila ba kung ano yung balot? Muna ang balot sa Vietnam.
Yeah, hotdog lang.
So, unsa may lasa niya?
Pareha natin, pero lang lang ilang sauce.
Kaya lang sauce, then meron silang leaves.
Vietnam, Thailand yan. Malids. Marrow veggies.
It's so good. Yum.
I'll go right now. Who's the best tita? I just love mommy. How about tita? Who's the best tita? Just mommy yun. Sige, mommy.
Tita Rick?
Tita Michelle.
Crying already.
How about Tita Rich?
Uy, yan yung Jay.
I gave you gibbets for your slippers. Kaway talaga. Kaway talaga ng bata to. I'm gonna get my that one. I gave that to you
Tanaw,
too.
mapalagot na po.
The one that I gave you.
Wow.
The one for the sports. Your clothes.
I don't want it.
I don't want that.
How about the one for your slippers?
I
Do you want me to get that?
Yeah, I like it.
You like
and
it?
I don't love it.
Yeah.
Are you tricking her?
I don't want
No, I'm not.
You being mean, Alo.
I
You being mean to me, Alo.
Who's your favorite tita?
Tita Michelle.
She's not your real tita. She's a fake one.
Michelle.
She's a fake one.
Tita Michelle.
She's a fake tita.
Lugar sa mumumon di ba?
Not a real tita.
Ah, kung ano sa suka sa kwanday?
Yeah,
Chicken
yeah.
skin.
Try, nasa tumangan mo.
Kwanday.
Naway talaga ako ng batang to.
Tita Michelle.
Ah!
Lami ni pero delikado.
Ah!
Michelle.
Hindi ko magpapalit. Ano?
Tita Michelle.
Yeah. Okay.
Aday.
Alo, you've been mean to me!